Hey, this is David with Automotive Circuit Solutions. In front of me here is a 2005 Ford Thunderbird. This is one of our in-house test cars. We use it to test FEMs, REMs, and gauge clusters before and after we repair them. Also, it enables us to make how-to videos to help our customers remove the parts so they can send them in for service. This video is going to demonstrate how to remove the FEM. So first thing we're going to have to do is remove this scuff panel. But before you remove this, you need to remove this right here. So you just get your fingers under there, pop it loose, and then pretty much the same thing with this. You could get some plastic pry tools. It looks like this clip goes in this way. Alright, so once this scuff panel is removed, the front electronic module is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start with removing this light. This step is not necessary, but for video purposes I'm going to get it out of the way. I think that caused that bulb to burn out. Oh well, we'll get that replaced. We have those in stock. Just gonna tuck it up here. Alright, so I'm gonna get this carpet. Tuck it under the brake pedal. And then this bolt right here needs to be removed, and the top one needs to be loosened. You know what? I'm just going to pull it off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the bolts holding down the FEM just to see what else is in the way. Alright, so I think this unit has already been replaced, possibly, because some of the stuff is loose, like this was never clicked in. That unit does need to come out, and that way it gives me space to remove the FEM. Okay, in this position I'm going to remove these two connectors. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this. Maybe. Now in this position, I can comfortably disconnect all of these connectors. Flip it down, there's the tabs, just press them and pull. Once you get the module removed, you can visit our website, automotivecircuitsolutions.com. Go to the search bar and type FEM and press enter. And then click on this listing, scroll down to the description, and make sure that your issues align with what we repair. Once you confirm that we can repair it, you can add it to cart and proceed to checkout. If you have any questions, you can either call us or send us a message here. That wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching.